Good morning, my kindred spirits. Today is a quick health tip and a little message from your angels. So let's dive into it. So the health tip that I really want to share today is really important to us, especially women, because we do lose a lot of blood. Think of maybe a miscarriage, think of our period, think of maybe you had a C-section that you lose a lot of blood. So we're really most of the time are really iron deficient, and that's what I want to talk about today. So the quick health tip is which herbs are the most powerful to take for iron intake. So think of alfalfa, think of dandelion root, think of stinging nettles. And another really great one is blackstrap molasses. It's the most highest and potent in minerals and vitamins, and you can take that and have a 3-gram daily intake by using 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses in a glass of water and drink that in the morning. So these are the options that you have for a better intake and really absorb that iron. And always, nutrition is important, so think of spinach, Brussels sprouts, really tasty and really rich in iron. So let's see what message we got for this week. We got malachite. Oh, I'm so in love with malachite. So malachite is a really powerful healing crystal that really has positive energy. It really also brings prosperity, and I just also love the color. Like, I'm all greenish and bluish. As you see, I already also wear blue. But the message is there's a positive shift in your flow of divine support. So you are right now having that divine support, that guidance around you for maybe in a relationship, maybe in a project. So see what this week brings you. If you want to get these quick health tips each week and a little message from your beautiful angels, be sure to follow me, save these, and of course, if you want to get them in your inbox, including the amazing offers that I have, be sure to subscribe to my newsletter. And trust me, I'm not going to spam you, just only worth value of herbs, and always really taking care of you with a beautiful affirmation, because you are truly amazing. And before I'm going to close up, I want to share something amazing. This upcoming Saturday, I have an amazing, beautiful workshop. It's a 2-hour intensive on pregnancy after loss. So if you know that someone had a miscarriage or had a pregnancy loss, or is that amazing doula that want to have amazing skills, like which supplements to really use, which to don't use, and maybe they are harmful, how to improve egg health, how to improve sperm health. It isn't your fault. The most common pathologies that can cause a miscarriage, and I'm really going to provide you a roadmap. So if you want to be there for an amazing exclusive price, be sure to comment workshop below and I will get you all the deets. Until next time.